Of course I missed it.
Wow.
That was great.
Oh, again.
Another one.
Holy cow, Marcy.
Got it.
Show you this, folks.
Your battery's going though.
One more time. I got on.
One more time.
That means we're making him mad. Come on, keep making him
I
mad.
got one with the mouth open.
Yeah, it's two. I got the
Problem was
second
I tried to take a second one and it flashed.
Yeah.
So therefore it was on its charge cycle.
It's like,
You can't do too quick flash.
come on.
I got all of that on video.
All right. Open your mouth.
Open wide, say ah. Is that the baby? Oh my God, how cool is that? Oh, there's one over there.
Oh my God!
There's one in there too.
He's
There's one right under there.
yeah, he's
His
close.
little ear.
It's a baby, I think.
I wonder if that's where they hide them.
Yeah,
Maybe they
you're
sent
right.
the
You're
baby
right.
away because they were afraid of us. Because there were 4 that were
There's a
up here.
baby under the.
They've got to be used to this, though.
Yeah.
No, I
But
don't.
they're probably only have,
People that ever.
I think no.
they probably only have babies certain times of the year. Though.
No, I agree. I think if anybody's
It's
near their
only
babies,
2 months. It's
yeah.
probably 2 months of the year that.
If anybody's near their babies, they're nervous.
This is the first tour. First time I've done this tour.
Is that right?
No, I'm finished.
Just both?
No, the whole
There goes Dad.
Oh, the first time you've done it.
Which is the best one.
Odyssey.
Oh, Odyssey. Stamping.
Yeah, we need to do camera.
Oh,
No, I'm
okay.
not joking.
Oh, I didn't realize.
For this tour, for the
They've
wildlife.
been advertising this for.
I missed him. I got
It's almost out.
I just saw
That's interesting.
I didn't know that.
I didn't either because it's been in their book.
Yeah.
But maybe they haven't done. Maybe they change it up.
I think this year.
That was really cool.
Oh, they're really going to show their mouse down here.